Oh!
I actually listened to a very interesting podcast about where the 5 love languages come from, like the actual book that it's based off of, and it's crazy. It made me rethink. It was just like
That's a hot
made
take.
up.
That's the hot take.
That's my hot
No, but
take.
honestly,
Sorry, one of these
Yeah.
cats
Oh, so
farted,
now it's
and
not
so
so
bad.
Oh yeah, that is
Jesus
that's rancid.
Christ, that's a
I smelled
poopy. That's
it,
not
I
a
smelled
fart.
it.
That's like someone
went,
actually took a dump.
Oh.
Oh wow.
Mine is affection.
I think touch. I just love like cuddling. That's why I don't like these cats, because they don't want to cuddle. Like I